एमबीबीएस एडमिशंस को लेकर 2025 में so much confusion and tension among the students and parents. Which is the best country? Which is the best universities? So much queries among the students. EduNova strong tie-up with 20 plus countries में we are giving admissions across the world. So dear students and parents, मैं आज ऐसे country के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ जो country not only popular among the Indian students in terms of education, in terms of environment, Indian food, and also respect from that country to Indians. It's next level. So dear students, आज मैं बताने वाला हूँ उज्बेकिस्तान. Why Uzbekistan is more popular and of course best country for MBBS abroad destinations के लिए. Dear students and parents, as you know, उज्बेकिस्तान में जितना भी universities है, almost सारे government, state government and central government university है. Tashkent, capital of the Uzbekistan as a country, Indian embassy is already there. Just 2.5 hour distance from Delhi to Tashkent. ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं है. Direct flight connectivities है. Tashkent Medical Academy is a government medical university in Tashkent city. Tashkent city में almost 4 medical colleges है. Tashkent State Dental Medical College, Tashkent Pediatric Medical Institute, of course Tashkent Medical Academy. तो dear students, अगर Tashkent में आप admissions लेना चाहते हैं, genuinely central government universities, fee structure is quite affordable, just 18 to 19 lakh complete package. Yes, purely English medium, and of course internship within the same universities. 40 plus universities attached with the Tashkent Medical Academy के साथ. तो as per the NMC rule, perfectly matched in Tashkent. There is no question mark. And of course, Indian food are easily available. Maximum more than thousands number of students are staying in the Tashkent city in Tashkent Medical Academy. Same way. If you're talking about Samarkand State Medical Universities, again it's a government universities. 3 Indian restaurants are there in Samarkand city. Indian mess are easily available. Again, thousands of students are already there in Samarkand. Most of the Indian faculties are there also from Asia. So this is a really good news for you here, dear students. Easy to understand. And of course, strong bonding with Indian faculty and Indian students. This is really great news for Indian students, those who want to study in Samarkand State Medical University for MBBS program. And one more thing, I personally visited Tashkent and Samarkand. Faculty are highly cooperative and friendly because they respect Indian students. In fact, school की तरह पढ़ाते इतना प्रेशर कर बेटा ये पढ़ना पड़ेगा लेकिन अपना ये में तो you have to be study. There is no alternative. So Indian students लोग again vice versa. They are also Indian students also expecting to their faculties in the next level. तो language का कोई problems नहीं. Locally of course Uzbek and Russian language चलता है but there is not major issues. And also नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्स का एफएमजी का जो कोचिंग्स का के लिए स्पेशल अटेंशन वहां मिलता है. समराखंड में इंडियन फूड ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हर एंगल्स में इंटरेस्टिंग बात, लोकल उज्बेक पीपल लव इंडियंस. ऑलमोस्ट आई पर्सनली विजिटेड मेनी टाइम्स. यू फील मोर सिक्योर. आई एम सॉरी टू से प्राउड इंडियंस इन उज्बेकिस्तान. टाइप का लोग है, इतना रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, दे आर क्रेजी अबाउट बॉलीवुड आल्सो. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, Uzbekistan genuinely one of the best destinations, WHO approved according to NMC, perfectly matched कर रहा है. And also after completion of the MBBS, there is no need to give the local entrance exam to practice in Uzbekistan itself as per the NMC rule. जरूरत नहीं, already आप MBBS हो गया तो ऑटोमेटिक का प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो उज्बेकिस्तान में. Yes, this is the golden opportunities उज्बेकिस्तान के लिए. मैं जितना भी स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, हर कोई का फीडबैक excellent. So dear students, if you want to know more about Uzbekistan, about the college, how to apply, what is the procedure, कौन सा hostels आप रह सकते हो, everything about Uzbekistan, Tashkent Medical Academy or Samarkand State Medical University or any other university across the Uzbekistan, here is the helpline number. Please call us. Our expert counselor will guide you and tell you about MBBS abroad in Uzbekistan, not only Uzbekistan, other country as well. Thank you very much. Namaskar.